Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the Apple smartwatch clone. The new Apple Watch Series 6 clone comes with exciting new features, which includes full screen display for any Apple clone watch, fast operation speed, and IP68 water resistant capabilities. The watch display is 380 by 385 pixels and comes with 1.75 HD IPS full screen display. The MediaTek MTK252D is what is powering this device. It's fast and compatible with Android and iOS. Now for the unboxing, here is the watch, the magnetic charger and manual book. For the charging experience, it took 70 minutes to fully charge, which is impressive. It supports PC USB or standard 5V charger. On the left side, it have power button and microphone. On the right side, it have the speaker. At the back, it have sensor and the charging pins. The watch size is 44 mm and it's made with aluminum and ceramic case. The smartwatch has a built-in speaker and microphone, can play Bluetooth music, make and receive call, real-time heart rate and blood pressure monitoring, and a variety of sport modes. The watch does not feature any SIM card slot, nor does it have a GPS facility. The watch strap could be dispatched and changed to other straps. The watch contains some essential health tracking features like pedometer, sleep monitor, sedentary remind, which it is one of the best devices for health tracking features. The smartwatch can be used to remote to control the camera of the user. This can be a great hack while taking selfies. It also support to alarm clock, calculator, and many more essential applications that can come in handy. The users can also view their social media alerts using this watch without having to look at the phone every time. It also have a unique feature to find your device. Just click find phone, connected phone will be ringing warning. It works for both watch and app sides. Now, let me show you how to connect your watch to your mobile phone. First, the mobile needs to download the app Active to the mobile phone and install it. To download, you scan the following QR code image by browsers or any scanner to download, or you search and download Active from Google Play Store. For iOS, search and download from App Store. After installation, turn on cell phone Bluetooth and Active app, confirm notification, location, all permissions are enabled. Tap device, add device and tap connect. Some Android phones needs turn on GPS to connect. Slide down the watch, you will see the Bluetooth icon. The green color at upper means connected. Let me show you to set up your notification. In your phone settings, click on App Management. Find Active, click and turn on all allow. In Active, click Application Push, select Allow. In your phone, make sure that you allow your applications such as WhatsApp, Facebook, email notification allowed can be pushed into the phone notification center. It will vibrate for incoming calls and messages. You can also check out the manual to know other features. I hope you gain value out of this video. Please do subscribe and like this video. More amazing content uploading soon. Don't miss out, subscribe and get your hands on the latest trends before others. Thanks for watching.